So exercise 23A, we are going to start from 8th question. So till 7th, do you have any doubts? Anyone? No. Let's start. 8th question is also like a true and false. So they are saying if sin x is equals to cos x, sin x is equals to cos x, cos y, then x plus y is equals to 45. X plus y is equals to 45. Is it true? See, let's start from here itself. If sin x is equals to cos y, that means sin x by cos y. Or we can just say sin x is equals to cos y. Can you tell me at which angle they are equal to each other?
Ma'am, tan.
See, we have done the standard values. We have done the trigonometric ratios and their values at the standard angles. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, then 90 degrees. At which angle the value of sin is equal to the value of cos?
45 degrees.
45 degrees. See, we know sin 45 is equal to how much?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. And this is also equals to 1 by root 2. So this is the angle. This is the angle. So that means x is also equals to 45 and y is also equals to 45. So they are saying x plus y is equals to 45. But individually, if we say x is also 45, y is also 45, is it same? If we add both x plus y, will we get 45? No.
No, ma'am.
Individually itself it is 45. X is also 45, y is also 45. So when we add them, we will get some values which 90 degree we will get. Because what we add 45 plus 45, it is equal to 90.
90.
So it is not, so that is why it is false. Anyone, any doubt in this question?
No.
No doubt. So second part is also true or false. So true or false, we can always start do by assuming, like in this part we have done. So next one, it is secant theta into cot theta. Secant theta into cot theta, it is equal to cosecant theta. So write true or false. So we will solve. Two sides are given to us, left side and right side. So let's solve it. Left hand side is equals to secant theta into cot theta. Dot means into. Secant theta, we know it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So we can write it as 1 by cos theta into cot theta. Can anyone tell me the formula of cot theta? In which cos will be there?
Ma'am,
Cot theta. What is the formula of cot theta in terms of cos?
cos theta, ma'am.
Cos theta
Cos
by
Sin
sin.
theta.
cos
Sin
theta by sin theta.
Yes. So cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. This we have already done. Now cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. So I am left with 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta, it is equals to
Cosecant theta.
cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore, 1 by sin theta, it is equals to cosecant theta. And if you see right hand side is equals to cosecant theta. That means secant theta into cot theta, it is equals to cosecant theta. Will it be true or false?
I'm true, ma'am.
True. So this one is true. Now let's do the third part. Third part is, it's not a true false. It is simple question they have given. So they have mentioned for any angle theta. For any angle theta, find the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. where theta is any angle. So we can start by assuming angles from the standard angles. Like standard angles are 0. Which are the standard angles?
30 degrees,
30,
45,
degrees.
60,
45,
90. 60 and 90.
60 and 90. So these are the standard angles. So we can just assume theta, any of the angles for different 2, 3, total 5 angles are there. We can just try for 2 or 3 and we can see what is the answer of sine square theta plus cos square theta. So let us start with 0. At 0, first of all, we know sine 0 is equal to what?
0.
0. And cos 0, it is equal to
1.
1.
1. So let's substitute the values. Let us first take sine square 0 plus cos square 0. So sine 0, we know just now I have written here its value is 0. So 0 square plus, this means whole square only, whole square of the trigonometric ratio. So that way I am going to do. Cos 0 is 1, it's whole square. So 0 square plus 1 square is equal to
1.
1.
1. So that means it is, let's check for some other angle also. Is it same? Let's see. So let's assume now angle equals to 30 degrees. So what is the value of sine 30?
1
1 by 2.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
1 by 2. What is the value of sine 30, cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root by 3.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So let's substitute. In this only we have to substitute. Angle is 30 degrees. So sine 30, I will just write whole square. Cos 30, it's whole square. So values I have already written. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 whole square.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4
plus
plus
3
1 by 4
by
by
4.
3 by 2.
3 by
3
4.
by 4. So this
Ma'am,
is
4 by
root
4.
3.
Ma'am is equal
Yes.
to 1, ma'am.
Equal to
4
4
by
4. 1 man cancel.
1.
1.
So this also 1. And you can see for any angle, when theta is same, like here 0, 0, here I took 30, 30. Now if I take 45, 45, that you can check. So always when you are adding the squares of sine and cos, you will get the answer equals to 1.
Anything
Ma'am,
in any angle, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Any angle.
did not understand the sine 30. How you got the whole square, ma'am? Because factorize can't do it.
See, it's already given in the question. Sine square theta. They asked us to find the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta means we have to do whole square of whatever theta we are using. Theta means whichever angle we are using. So angle, because both ways theta and theta is there. So that's why I have taken same angle. So I have just checked. If any angle, first I took 0. If I'm taking 0, if I do the square after writing the value, I'm getting 1. Now I took 30. 30 also, I substituted the value as 30, value of angle, then the value of the trigonometric ratio. So again, I got 1. So that means when the angle is same, this angle is same, and we are doing the square of sine and cos, it will always be equals to 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So let's start 9th question. Ninth one is state for any acute angle theta whether. So 3 questions are there. So state means we have to give reason, or we just have to tell whether it is increasing or decreasing. So what is the first point? Can anyone read?
Yes,
Sin
ma'am.
theta increases
State for any
or
acute.
decreases as theta increases.
State for any acute angle. Acute angle means the angle
Less than 90 degrees.
less than 90 degrees. So yes, so acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degrees. So we have to state sin theta increases or decreases. Sin theta increases or decreases with increase in theta. So what is it's mentioned here? We just have to tell whether sine theta, the value of sine, it will increase or decrease with the increase in theta. Theta means with the increase in angle. See, again we will just see the standard angles. So what are the standard angles? It is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So these are the standard angles. So can you observe one thing? When I talk about the standard angles values I have already written in order of increasing values. So 30, 0, then 30 is greater than 0, 45 is greater than 30. So I have already written the values of angle in their increasing order. So angle is increasing. Now I have to check if the angle is increasing, whether the sign of these angles, it is increasing or decreasing. So let's write down the values. What is the value of sine 0?
0. 0, 1 by
Sine
2,
zero.
1 by root
1
2,
by 2,
1 by root 2,
1 by root 2,
root 3 by 2,
Root 3 by 2.
and 1.
1.
1.
So 1. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, root 40, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, and sine 91. What do you feel? Values, are they increasing or decreasing?
Ma'am, they are increasing. Ma'am.
They are increasing. See, 0 means 0, 1 by 2 means 0.5. So it will again come 1 by root 2 means 1.4, 1 by 1.4. It will again something 0 point something. Same goes here also. This value will also, it will be 0 point something greater than this, and this is 1. So we can see if the theta is increasing, if angle is increasing, sine is also increasing. You can see it is starting from 0 and till 1 it is increasing. So first point is increasing. If anyone has any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, other two we will do, ma'am.
Okay, second part, do you want to do yourself? Have you understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
It's understood.
Third also
Okay, then
will
you
do, ma'am.
second and third you can do as homework. Same way, angle we have written the increasing order. Then you just have to look at their values and you have to see whether their values are increasing or decreasing. So you can write. Now, shall we do 10th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Just take screenshot if you haven't done.
And what is the answer, ma'am? That only, ma'am, the answer.
Yes, only we just have to mention whether the value of sine is increasing or decreasing. So it is increasing.
Okay.
You can
Ma'am,
see
should we
also
want to draw that table also, ma'am?
1 point. No, it is not required. See, this working is not required. This you can do on rough space and see it is 5. It is 5 by 7. You can divide and check also. So 5 by 7, it will come 0.6 something. And then root 3's value is 1.7, root 2 is 2. Again, you can, this is 10. Again, you can see it is 8.8 something it will come. And it is 1. So 5, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.8. So it is increasing. Like this for cos also you can check, and for tan also you can check. So this was only this thing you have to mention, increases. In next also whether it's decreasing or increasing, that only you have to mention. Shall we do 10th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this only I will. What is given in 10th question? Read Sachin.
If root 3,
Okay, read Daniel. Read.
And
If root 3 equal to 1.732, find correct to two decimal places the value of each of the following: sine 60 degrees. Second one is tan by 2 by tan 30 degrees.
Okay.
7,
So root 3's value is given to us. Root 3 is equals to 1.732. Root 3's value is given to us, and we have to find the values of sine 60 and 2 by tan 30 up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places means after decimal only 2 digits should come. So 2 parts are there. Only one I will do. Just tell me which one you want me to do.
first one.
Which one? First one.
Second one, ma'am.
Second one or first one? Or both?
Ma'am, anything is fine for me, ma'am.
Okay, let's do both only. Then you have to help me.
Okay.
So
Every time I
sine
will
60.
help
Sine 60. What is the value of sine 60?
you.
Oh,
Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Now value of root 3 they have mentioned here. So what is the value of root
1.732.
2 by 2? So what we can do here, first of all, let's remove the decimal. If we remove the decimal, what should I write
Divide
here?
into 100. Into 1000,
100.
1000. Sorry.
1000. 3 digits are there after decimal, so 1000. Now this thing we can just easily, because it's even number, so on 2's table it will go. 2 into 1, 2 into, with which number?
8 is 16.
8, 6,
6.
and again 6. 866. 866 by 1000. Now just convert it back into decimal.
0.866.
0.866. But in question, they have mentioned right up to 2 decimal places. This is 3 decimal places.
0.87.
0.87 is the answer. This we can do round off because this last digit is greater than 5. If the number is greater than 5, we can just do plus 1 in this one. So it will become 0.87. So anyone, any doubts here in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So now also you want me to do next, or you want to try yourself?
Let's try ourselves.
Because
We'll
then
try ourselves, ma'am.
this is much
In
simpler.
this time, first we should find the value like this and we should divide it by 2, ma'am.
Yes. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, just do it. It is 2 by tan 30. What is the value of tan 30?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
Now in
I'm
next step,
into.
where should how? Yes,
In
because
2 into
it is
root 3 by 1.
because it's a fraction, so root 3 will go here.
2
into
into root 3 by 1.
1
root 3
minute
by
now.
1.
2 root 3.
Hey,
Yes. Yes, Daniel. See, this I will tell you 2 fractions. Right? 2 also 2 by 1 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So these 2 you have to multiply and these 2 you have to multiply.
no, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2
Simply
into
selling means you
1.7.
not get confused. Ma'am. Simply in middle you selling. Ma'am. You get confused.
Hmm. So this is fine. Shall we do? What is the value of root 3? What's the value of root 3?
1.732.
1.732. Just multiply it and tell me the answer.
3.46.
3.46. So because
Yes.
we just have to write up to 2 decimal places, so 3 points. You can multiply it and up to 2 decimal places only you have to write. If there is a need to round off, just round it off. Shall we do 11th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just take the screenshot or just try to write little fast. These questions are little simple till now. 11th question is evaluate. Evaluate means solve till we get the simplest value. So first part is cos 3a. Cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a by sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a. Sin 4a. Where a is equal to 15 degrees. So the value of a they have given us. A is equal to 15 degrees. Very simple question. Wherever you see a, just substitute its value as 15 because they have mentioned value of a is 15. So let's do.
All has 15 degrees.
All has 15.
Yes, all. See, wherever you see a. And one thing here, when 3a is written, 3a is written, that means 3 into a. 4a is written, 4 into a. Same thing here also, 3 into a and 4 into a. So only in place of a, you have to write 15. Don't write in place of 3a.
3 into 15.
So cos 3 as it is, cos as it is, we have to write 3 as it is into 15 minus 2 cos as it is. See, this 2 before, wherever it is written before 2. So before 2 only you have to write 2 cos 4 into 15. I'm just substituting the value of a as 15. Whichever digit is written, I'm just writing all the digits at the places itself. 2 here I have written, 4 here. So sin 3 into 15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, they gave us the a value as 15 degrees. No, ma'am, we should simplify it as cos 15 degrees, ma'am. Like standard angles or
See, standard angle is not given. What it is given to us, only the value of a is 15. So value of a only you have to substitute. Then after multiplying, it will get converted into standard angle. Then we can write the value. Here only a's value is given.
okay.
Yes, Sachin. Anyone, any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So let's multiply now. 3
Cos
45.
45 degree.
45 minus
45 degree.
Mute
45,
your mic. Mute your mic.
45
Everyone.
minus 2 cos 60.
60.
2 cos 61.
2 cos 60.
So 2 cos 60 by sin
45.
sin 45 minus 2.
2 sin 60.
2
sin
sin
60.
60.
Now if you see, now if you see, you can see the values of standard angles we got. We got cos 45, we got sin 60, sin 45 and sin 60. So now let's write down the values. Cos 45, what is the value of
1 by
cos
root
45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. 1 by root
1
2.
by root 2 minus
2 by
2
root 2.
into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2.
2 into 1 by 2.
2 1 by 2.
2 1
2 into 1 by 2. Now sin 45,
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2 minus
2 into root
Plus
3 by
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2
Plus.
into
No,
root
no,
3
no.
by 2. Okay, here plus is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do any cancellation here?
Yes, ma'am. 2 to
1 by
cancel.
root 2. 1 by root 2,
2
ma'am.
to cancel.
So here,
Ma'am,
one
here
plus-
plus should
1
come.
by
ma'am.
root 2. 1 by root 2, ma'am.
yes, here plus should come, I'll write. So now I am left with 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 1 by root 2
Plus 3.
plus 3 or root 3.
3 only.
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. It's root 3. So root 3 only we have to write. Now see here just write 1 because both are fractions now. So it will become like addition and subtraction of two fractions. So what should I do here?
LCM.
What should we do? LCM. So
LCM.
what is the LCM in first case? After LCM, and what I will get?
Ma'am,
1 minus root 2 by
1 minus root 2 by root 2 because root 2 is the LCM. Root 2 divided by root 2 and multiply by 1 because root 2 divided by root 2 is 1. 1 into 1. Root 2 divided by 1 is root 2. So that number we have to multiply with the numerator. Same here also. What I will get? What is the LCM? First of all, tell me the
1
LCM.
plus root 2.
1 plus root 6
1 plus root 6.
Yes, it will become 1 plus root 6.
by
And what is the
root 2.
by
root
root 2? Okay. Can I cancel this root 2 and this root 2 directly?
This one.
Yeah, ma'am.
Because it will see
Yes.
this two will get multiplied. So this will get cancelled. So directly I am cancelling. Now what I am left with?
1 minus root 2 by 1 plus root 6.
1 minus root 2 by 1 plus 6. 1 plus root 6. Now
We can cancel
this
off
And we can
root 2.
take square. We
Root-
can take square.
root 6 plus 1 we will write. Why we will write? Because see, this question has now become similar to the questions which we did in chapter 1, rational numbers. So we have to rationalize it.
Ma'am, we cannot write like 1 plus
Ma'am,
root
root
6.
6 plus 1 by
1 plus root 6 is the reason why I haven't 1 plus root 6. Then it will become 1 square minus root 6 square when I rationalize it. So 1 minus 6 will become minus 5. So why to write a negative value? So that's why I have just written it as root 6 plus 1.
root 6 plus 1. Root 6
See,
plus
both
1
the
by
things are same. 1 plus root 6 also it is equal to root 6 plus 1. Because addition is always commutative. So that's why just to avoid negative number, I have just written in that way. The answer you will get same. Both ways you will get same answer. Now if I have to rationalize by which number I should multiply and divide. this by?
Root 6
Root 6
minus
plus
1.
6 minus 1.
Root 6 minus 1. So here this step, do it very carefully because the numbers in numerator are different. So whole square I will not get. So 1 minus root 2 into root 6 minus 1. And in denominator I will get that. A plus B into A minus B. That is, what should I write?
Root 6 whole square
Root 6 square
minus 1
minus
square.
1 square.
Yes. So A square minus B square, it is equal to A plus B into A minus B. That identity only we have used. Now, this we can multiply. If two brackets are there, very carefully we have to multiply this first digit just right of first bracket and whole second bracket. So 1 into root 6 minus 1. Now second digit of first bracket, that is minus root 2. Along with the sign we have to write. To root 6 minus 1. And in denominator, what I will get? What is the square of root 6?
5. 6.
5.
6 minus 5.
6 minus 1.
6 minus 1
5.
is equal to 5. So directly we'll write this. We can multiply 1 into root 6
Root 6. Root 6
minus
Minus
1
1.
because this both we have to multiply minus sign as it is, and moreover when minus sign is outside the bracket, inner signs you have to change. Don't forget. So root 6 into root 2.
Root
12.
2 root 3.
Root
2 root 3.
2 root
2 root 3. See why 2 root 3? Because root 2 into root 2 into root 3. Root 6 is root 2 into root 3. So root 2 into root 2 will become 2. Root 3 as it is we can write. Now what should I write?
Plus root 2.
Plus root 2 by 5. So let's solve it. Any like term? Do we have any like term?
No, ma'am. Only one.
No,
No, ma'am.
only one.
So
So no like term, we can write this as the answer. Because
Ma'am,
any
if like
cancellation
terms
is,
are there, what to do, ma'am?
see, if like terms are there, suppose here root 2 is there. So then they can be solved. Minus 2 plus here 1. It will become minus root 2. So they can be
Okay.
solved further. If no like term, so here itself we have to leave it.
Ma'am,
Further,
can
if
you
you
move,
want,
ma'am?
you can make the
Yeah, I called you 2 times.
So mute your mic. Everyone, if you're not talking, please mute your mic. And can you do second part of 11th question on your own now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Here angle B is equal to 20 degrees. Because I think we are only 5 minutes are there.
4 minutes, ma'am.
So
4
we
minutes,
won't be able
31
to
seconds.
we won't be able to complete it. I will just give you hints. I will just give you hint. Try. If you won't able to do it tomorrow, I will explain it. The first term is exactly similar. 3 sine 3b. 3b means 3 into b. Second bracket, if you see, it is cos 2b plus 5. 2 into b plus 5. So what is the meaning of this? 2 into b plus 5.
Ma'am, which
Value
one?
of b. Second part I am saying.
20 into 2 plus 5.
Yes, so 20 into 2 is what?
40.
40.
40 plus 5, 45. 45.
So this, yes. So write the values this way in second part. Any doubt in today's class? Only
Ma'am,
this.
here 3 into B then, ma'am. 3 into 20 is 60. We can write sine 60, ma'am.
Yes, so that will become sine 60. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.